In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust opacity in Canva. If you've ever wanted a photo to feel softer behind text or you're aiming for a subtle watermark effect, adjusting opacity, also called transparency, is the quickest way to do it. Opacity simply controls how solid or see-through an element appears on your canvas, and Canva gives you a simple slider to make it happen. Start by opening your project in Canva, the one where you want to make adjustments. Once your design loads, click the element you want to change. This can be a photo, a shape, a text box, or a graphic. Selecting the element is important because opacity changes apply only to what's currently selected. If you have multiple items, make sure you click the exact one you want to adjust, and you'll see the editing toolbar appear along the top of the screen. In that top toolbar, look for the transparency control. It's the small checkered icon that represents opacity. Go ahead and click it. A slider will appear, giving you direct control over how see-through the selected element becomes. Drag the slider to the left to make the element more transparent. As you move it left, you'll watch the item fade and blend with whatever sits behind it. Drag the slider to the right to make the element more solid and fully visible again. This live preview is helpful, so take a moment to drag back and forth until it looks just right in the context of your design. You'll typically see a percentage indicator as you slide, which can help you aim for consistent settings across several elements. For example, if you want a uniform look, you might set multiple items to the same transparency percentage. Remember, this adjustment affects only the selected element, so if you want different parts of your design to have different levels of opacity, simply select each one and repeat the same slider adjustment. Opacity is great for layering text over photos without losing readability, creating soft backgrounds, and adding depth to your layouts. If at any point you want to return an element to full strength, just bring the slider back to the far right until it's fully solid again. And that's it. Open your project, click your element, use the checkered icon in the top toolbar, and drag the slider left for more transparency or right for more solidity. With this simple control, you can quickly refine your design's balance and emphasis in a clean, professional way.